Introducing the 2025 Ford F-150. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 360-degree view car camera, navigation system, keyless entry, chrome wheels, adaptive cruise control, heated front seat, heated mirrors, remote engine start, fog lamps, dual zone AC. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.